nag-reveal na nga kung sino nga ba ang mga kasama nila sa movie ng Don Bell. Isa si River na may crush kay Bel Mariano noong He's Into Her season. Sabi nga nila, Don Bell fan ako pero I like River too. So glad si River at Emilio kasama ng Don Bell sa movie. I love the good boys, puro green flag mga be. Ang alam ng mga netizen na si River has a big crush on Belle since he's into her movie. Hoy, yung mga ship nyo na dahil alam mo na crush si River noon, ngayon magkasama na sa movie. Manifesting come true. Natupad na nga ang hiling ni River noon na makawork si Bel Mariano. What if second lead si River dito? What if lang ha? River as a big crush on Belle. Lakas din ng chemistry nilang dalawa. I love Don Bell so much, but I can't deny the chemistry of River and Belle. Exactly. Thank you for noticing it. No hate to Don Bell fans. It's like hidden feelings because of work. They can work together, nothing personal. Hiling nga ng mga netizen, please don't start something unnecessary. Spare Belle, please. She needs someone who really cares for her, not someone who is chasing clouds only. Why not Belle and River can have a movie since the both of them are in solo? Ayan na naman, ang mga basher ni Belle ay naglalabasan na. May makita lang sila na lalaki or babae talagang gagawa na naman ng kwento. Lala ko noon may interview si River, tinanong kung jojowain o tatrapahin niya si Belle. At nadulas nga siya, sabi niya jojowain at sabi nga niya sana walang nag-screen record.